Sounds like a bag of nails. Oh! Oh no. Oh! Oh dear.
Not going that quick. That's just...
Oh! This. Look how quickly it straightens it out with the TSM. Ready? That wasn't even me. No steering. Ready? Round here. Power it in. Right guys, we normally do Traxxas stuff on this channel, but not today. We have the black sheep of the fleet, the Mojave. But we thought we'd put some Traxxas stuff in it. We have put, oh you can't see it can you, because it's all hidden away, but we have put the Traxxas receiver in it, so we have Gyro in it. We've already undone that. All we've got to do is pull out that receiver, put the new receiver in. Don't think you guys need to seal that, do we? The only thing you need to remember, obviously, is to get the sockets the right way around. Then we just got to calibrate the ESC. So let's see if that helps the handling of it. It's been a bit of a handful, this truck. This truck has had no love whatsoever. We got this second hand a couple of years ago. We haven't run it a massive amount, but it's had no maintenance whatsoever. So it wouldn't surprise you one day if it just completely falls to bits. But we'll give it a go today and see what happens. No TSM now. Let's see what it's like. No TSM. Where have I even got the truck? Oh, it's over there. Here we go. Right. Sounds like a bag of nails. Didn't quite make that corner. Oh, it is so twitchy.
Looks a bit wobbly.
It's so wobbly. Here we go.
Get the move on though.
Understeer, understeer, understeer. Of course, it's just quite. Oh.
All right.
I'm going to now try 50% TSM. Yeah, that's a lot better.
I'm guessing that was sarcasm.
Yeah.
I can see it working.
You can see it working. Oh, I think I was on one wheel there. Yeah, you can feel it working. It's just quite an interesting handling truck.
Yeah, it's always a bit wobbly.
It's a bit tall and a bit wobbly.
Yeah. But is it better though?
It's definitely better. Yeah, I flicked it into there too much. Let's now try 100%.
That's usually too much on most things, isn't it?
Let's just check it is working. Yeah, oh god, that's straightened out very much. Right. So that's 100% now. Still got plenty of turning. This was a corner that it was tricky on before. It feels like it's driving itself now.
Is it more stable then?
Oh, got to be careful on the grass, otherwise it'll go over. Right, well, TSM is definitely better.
Did you prefer 50 or 100%?
Probably 100 is easier to drive. It's so lively. Have a go yourself.
All right.
It's on the multifunction dial.
Sure. So I'll put it back to 0.
Put it to 0 and you'll see it's a completely different animal. We've just been driving XRTs and it's a different animal.
Yeah. Trying to get a feel for the truck first. So this is none. And you do feel that...
You feel out of control.
Yeah.
And it is out of control.
Turn.
Oh, that's nice power slide out of there.
I feel like I need to provoke the skids to get it to...
Oh, we got a nice flick through there, but oh,
that was all me there, yeah.
Nearly
you
went
feel
round.
Wanting to spin out. Whoa, like that.
Oh. Oh, nice.
Okay, I'm going to go 50% now.
50%?
50%.
50%. You can see it working. Oh, nice.
Well, he took out the camera.
There's only one cone protecting the camera now.
It doesn't feel massively different yet. Let's see about the better hairpin. Oh, maybe take more. Oh.
Yeah. I've got to take a backward step there.
It doesn't feel like a UDR, not in the slightest. Obviously, we'll be racing them in a minute, just to compare. Oh. It's still a tricky customer. Let's go full then. Full TSM.
Full 100%.
Never used 100% on anything else. Let's see how this likes it. Oh yeah, I can see it correcting the slide. Getting rough there. I think it's better. Yeah, I actually like 100 as well. You can see it helping you all the time. Oh! I wasn't even going that quick. That's just bumps, isn't it? It's getting harsh there. Yeah, it's good. I actually like it with 100.
It does make a difference. Do you want to get your UDR out whenever?
Yes, yes.
Oh, you didn't see that. Look how quickly it straightens it out with the TSM. Ready? That wasn't even me. No steering. Ready, round here. Power it in. Just straightens it out so quickly. That's amazing. We know it's quite good. Well, any gyro is good, but
just turn that round.
you're facing that way, are we now?
Yeah.
Right. Would you want to go the other way around?
Yeah. I'll just do a lap.
Oh yeah, he's got to get his eye in. Go on, get your eye in. Do a lap. Look at that. Ready? You gonna flip it over? No. Oh.
Doesn't sound quite as smooth as it
very
could.
gentle.
Feels like you got a lot more front end than that, but on converse, there's not much rear. Great. Takes the bumps well though. Good job.
Right then, you ready?
Yes.
I can see this being a bit of a carnage.
Maybe.
3, 2, 1, go. We'll come off the line. Oh.
I was too busy watching you to keep myself on track. Did you hit anything, or was that just general?
Well, I think it was the bumps.
It doesn't like bumps very much, does it?
There probably ain't a lot of oil in the shocks.
Who knows? Never looked.
No, I never looked.
Okay, let's
Go on then, off we go. Look at the sun in the
Right, my gears don't sound the best.
Oh,
if it's still running, it's still running.
Some quite big bumps down here. There is some big bumps down there. Oh, I'm gonna... On the grass, it will grip roll.
Oh, someone's moved another cone. I see.
I don't like this way round so much. Oh! Problem is you get...
One more lap.
Oh, there's some real big bumps down there for this poor little truck.
Is there a problem back there? I'm not really going very fast. You're not catching me up.
Yeah, 100% TSM is too much.
Oh, really? Oh, there we are.
Right, he's got that one. Right, I'm going to turn down to about 75, 70.
Just...
I'm going to go over here. I'm going to start over here. Let's start over here this time. Right, you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. Got him off the line, but he's got the inside line.
My gears sound rough.
Oh, a bit closer this time so far. Oh, stay in a straight line.
Oh.
Yeah, I might go on the wrong side of that cone. Oh, he's got the lead again. I'm always a bit wary around there. It will grip roll.
Very careful not to fall over.
Done it again,
oh,
sorry.
No. Where am I going?
I'll wait for him.
Oh.
What are we up to here then? You coming to play? These are definitely... Oh, that's... Well...
Go on. You come through. That was a bit...
I have to say, you can tell we're not used to driving these trucks.
I've driven it for a while.
Oh!
Those bumps.
There's these bumps here. I'll probably get a little tap.
They've got pretty harsh. That's the end of that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
One each now, I think.
I'll go and sort out up here. Again?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, I've got a bit more grip off the line. Oh!
Oh, I had a lovely drift.
Yeah, I got a bit left-right there. I'll wait for him. He's sort of collected in my incident. I mean, the Mojave is stable. It doesn't want to brick roll.
We're going slow
We're
over those
actually
now.
backing off down there now.
Yeah. Whoa, it's bumpy.
You can see the brakes coming on there. Oh, that's nice. Just a bit of, oh, sorry, hit the cone. Right, got to be careful down here. Can't go flat out down there. The bump will flick them over.
Well, that was fairly neat for a UDR. Ah, nice.
Oh, brick roll on the way. Oh yeah, take that.
I just rolled through and then. There we go. 2-1. It's very close though.
I know. Come on then.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I found a nice pop and a
drifting it
skip
round.
there.
Oh, and out of control. I want to
Can't
fall
really-
over there, I can feel it.
Is there an inside line? Yes, there is, but...
Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa! I got a
It was
lot.
going,
Well, way a bit there.
that was regimental down the straight.
Oh dear! Oh
Those
no, I
orange
can't get
things.
it back.
Got them. Oh, I got that one.
You got that one.
Oh. We're going to get in the orange things. Those cones. Oh, where are they gone? Oh, there were some cones there.
Oh yeah. Don't know what happened to them.
And I might have moved that one. I think there's one more lap.
Oh,
One
that's
more
all
lap.
then. Very even racing here.
Should we try the other way around?
All right.
Corner into hairpin, wait for the barrel rolls.
Yeah.
Nice big gap, you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. Early braking.
Whoa,
Oh,
that was
lovely drift from the
nice.
blue truck. Not from the red truck. Oh, come on, it's getting away. This is it. Oh!
One of the coasters
Ended that
down
corner
already.
backwards. Oh. Oh, he's going to make that corner tight. Oh, yeah, okay. I might have kissed that cone.
What's going on?
I've broken it.
Oh.
Got no right lock.
Oh.
We have no right lock. Oh, hang on. I reckon someone's lodged in it.
Yeah, maybe a stone or something.
Right.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Here we go.
You're not coming out there.
Oh. We're just sort of off.
You wouldn't think these were success the way we're driving them.
Oh. Destroyer of the cone behind.
I went inside one. Oh,
I've seen blue truck coming
have enough
towards
lock.
me there. Nah.
Come on.
Normal service has resumed.
Oh.
Cones all over the place. Last lap. Cone on the
Where am I
straight to
going?
hit.
Come back, come back.
Wow, you turned that in there.
Oh. That's again 3-all. We keep winning alternately.
Right guys, so was that a success? Well, I think it was. The Mojave is definitely better with some TSM on it. Only about 60-65%, but definitely better. It's a completely different truck, as we know, to the UDR, but it held out well. We haven't got a fan on it. I don't know how it's lasted this long without a fan on it. Look at the state of it. It really has not had any TLC, so we perhaps have to give it a little bit of TLC and see if we can get it to go a bit better. But definitely worthwhile upgrade. So sticking a gyro on the truck does make a massive difference. Click the subscribe button. More videos soon.